Welcome to the Daily Ref. Hi, I'm MP. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can merge queries using multiple columns in Power Query. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's tutorial. First, let's have a look at what datasets we've got. For this tutorial, we've got a dataset of employees of a fictitious company. The data is formatted as an Excel table in the Employees worksheet. In the Employee subset worksheet, we have a subset of 15 employee records. Note that these employee records don't include the email addresses. I'll use the Merge tool in the Power Query editor to import the email address for each employee from the original employee's data source. To make it easier to grasp, we've divided the whole process into a step-by-step approach. Step 1. Load queries. First, let's load the data in Power Query Editor as queries using Get and Transform tools. Select any cell of the Employees table. Click on the Data tab. Under Get and Transform Data Group, click on the From Table/Range command. This imports your employee data in Power Query Editor. Give your query an appropriate name, for example, Employees. As a best practice, always check column names and data types to make sure they are consistent. In this case, all columns have text data types. Now, let's load this as a connection-only query. On the Home tab, click on the Close and Load command. Then select the Close and Load to command from the drop-down menu. In the Import Data dialog box, select the Only Create Connection Radio button. Then press the OK button. Great! You've imported the employee record successfully in the Power Query. You can verify it in the Queries and Connections pane on the right. Follow the same approach to import the employee subset data. I'll do this quickly to avoid boredom. Step 2. Merge queries as new. In the Queries and Connections pane, double-click on the employee subset query to open it in the Power Query Editor. On the Home tab, under the Combine group, click on the Merge Queries dropdown. From the dropdown, select the Merge Queries as New command. In the Merge dialog box, select the employee subset query, usually selected by default, for the first dropdown. Click on the first _name column. In the second dropdown, select the employee's query. Click on the first _name column for this too. Select the left outer option from the Join Kind dropdown. The selection shows that 15 matches were found as we have 15 employees in the employee subset query. Press the OK button to create a new merged query. Give this query an appropriate name, for example, employee subset _merged. Step 3. Expand email column. Let's now import the email attribute from the employee column. In the newly created merged query, click on the expand icon in the employees column. Select the checkbox for the email column only to import it into the merged query. At first, it seems the merge was successful. However, it's not. Pause the video and give yourself a minute to see if you can identify the issue. Let's see if you were able to identify the issue. Suddenly, we've 17 rows instead of 15 rows. Something is wrong here. The reason is 2 employees have the same first name. It's the SRA. Therefore, the merge operation resulted in 2 extra rows. After importing the email column from the employee's query. For a successful merge operation, the columns used in the merge operation should have unique values. To resolve this issue, you can use the combination of more than one column to perform the merge operation. In this case, I'm going to use the combination of the first _name and last _name columns. In the Applied Steps pane, click on the gear icon of the source step. Having the Control key pressed, select the last _name column for both queries. Leave the Join Kind as is. Click on the OK button. In the Applied Steps pane, click on the Expanded Employees step. In the Data Preview area, you can see that the employee count is 15. Which means the merge was successful. Step 4. Load merged query as Excel table. On the Home tab, click on the Close and Load command. In the dropdown, select the Close and Load to command. In the Import Data dialog box, select the Table and New Worksheet radio buttons. Press the OK button to load the merged query data as an Excel table in a separate worksheet. Using this approach, you can merge queries correctly, in cases where you don't have a unique key column. If this tutorial helped you in any way, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this tutorial with your friends and colleagues. Thank you for your time. I'll see you with another useful tutorial in the next video.